Welcome back to Trading Wars. Decided to do another impromptu live stream here for you guys. I did add some more emojis to the Trading Wars army. So I want to test those out as well and then just talk about the trading. How are you guys doing today? Let me just make sure that this is all set up and ready. Let me know how you guys are doing today. Are you green? Are you red? Let me know. Green or red on the day. We can look at SPY. I'll take some chart requests, hang out a bit, and then head off to the gym. All right. So green or red? Green. Okay. Good. All right. Hit me real quick with the new Trading Wars emojis. Let me see how they look. I'm gonna check it out myself right now. I think this is really cool. So let me try to post it myself. Boom. Yes. Okay. I see that. I see them. Good. All right, guys. Trading Wars Army. Yes, sir. Okay. So let's go to SPY. So anybody that's a member, I'll be taking chart requests from you today. All right. Let's start off right off the bat here. Let me pull this out. Let me get the Discord. So I'm going to talk to you guys through what happened this morning, how we made some profits. Then I'm going to talk to you guys about what we can expect for next. But essentially right here, guys, if we go to the 5-minute chart, you can see that we opened in the middle, right? We opened in the middle of the previous day's range. And because we opened in the middle of the previous day's range, I was not willing to take the opening range breakout. So instead, what we did, guys, is we went to the 15-minute chart and we caught this inside bar here, guys. So it was very, very, very beautiful, right? So we caught this inside bar right here in the Discord. Let me just pull that up for you guys. Let me walk you through. So everybody in the room should be green today. So here we go, guys. So the 50-minute inside bar came in at 10. So the trigger came through on the bot, filled. So we had a little push off the bat, nothing too much. And then we started hitting targets, start scaling out, nice push, blah, blah, blah. You know, all right. So we had patience today, guys. Patience pays on that 15-minute inside bar. It was absolutely beautiful. And let me just take a sip of my tea here. All right. So we took that. Right now, we're in a trade as we speak. So we're in a trigger trade right now. The stop is at break even. Let me show you guys how that works. So we got in today. So this is posted yesterday. So I always post these the night before. So our long entry. So these trades can be fully automated. So we got in right now at 463.19. And our stop loss is 460.70. Okay, so this is the stop, 460.70. And I'm going to put that in red or whatever color that is. And the target is 465.51. And we're using the 464 calls. 465.51. All right, so right now we can see that we got filled here and we went halfway to the target. So right now on this play, guys, my stop loss is at break even. So we'll see how this one plays out in the next hour or so while I'm hanging out with you guys. But right now the stop loss is break even. I don't want to lose on this because I already made money on the 15-minute inside bar right here. So I already made money on that. I don't want to give back anything. What is this pattern right at the top here, guys? Tell me. What is that pattern right there at the top? And anybody that's a member of the Trading Wars Army, if you have any chart requests, feel free to just post them and I'll start going through them. The other thing that I'm looking at right now, guys, is just the afternoon leg. Okay. So with the afternoon Fibonacci leg, we have a low and we have a high. Okay. So low and a high like this. Right. So we got the Nirvana. So this is Nirvana, exactly. Trading Wars Nirvana pattern. So the Nirvana pattern is only available if you buy the book, guys. I saved this for my members that support me. Look at this again. Yesterday I showed you guys the Nirvana, and I'm showing it to you again. Look how beautiful this breakdown is off of this bar, guys. We don't play around. We do not play around. We back test. We're in the lab. We put in a lot of work. So if you get the book, guys, you can get that indicator. All right, beautiful. Look at that. Anyways, so we might get stopped out on this trigger. Pretty might be soon, but it'll be a break-even trade, so I'm okay with that. But right here, guys, now we have the full Fibonacci on the day right here. Okay, so we have the full Fibonacci on the day right there. And what we're gonna do here, guys, is we have this zone. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw the zone as a possible area of retracement. So right here. So this is the sweet spot where if we do pull back down, right? If we get a confirmation here, or if we can just take a limit order on these fibs, we can get a potential bounce if we keep coming back in. So we'll look at this back. We'll check on this. We could see the algo is playing around a little bit right here. This is right. This red line here is the 20 EMA. I don't use it all the time, but I like it in situations where we have a good run. That's generally a first spot. But I have these fibs here. We're gonna look back at this. All right. So Ian, I bought the book. How do I get it? It's in the Discord, brother. So once you get the book, you get into the Discord, go to the members area, and you'll be able to get it there. All right. So let's see. The Trading Wars Army members, what charts do you have for me? Actually, before we go there, let's talk about the picks. So we had AMD. Okay. So right now, AMD is just kind of going flat. We had a nice inside bar right here and a Nirvana again. What did I just say, guys? Don't sleep on this pattern. Trading Wars Nirvana. Look at that beauty. Right now, what we're looking for here is a retest of this low here. So if we can retest this low and break it down, guys, we can push through the prior day's low, and we could probably have a flush on AMD. If we hold this, you know, we might just keep going sideways for a while. Remember, it's getting to lunchtime, right? So anything's possible. Intel, guys, nice little push up here. We had some outside bars that were great winners here and here. MU was the star of the show today, guys. So right here was the trigger. So let me just show you. We had the trigger right around here. We got filled, hit targets, boom. Netflix, a little bit more harder. This Nirvana gave a little push. Nothing really special. Nice outside bar at the top. We'll keep watching it. All right. So what do we have? So hit me with a Trading Wars Army right now, or a 1. If you don't have the Trading Wars Army, it's okay. So hit me with the Trading Wars Army or a 1 if you're feeling good. If you're feeling good today, everything's good. Let's get the hype going here. All right, guys. So you can see right here, right? When we have those very powerful pushes, the 20 EMA right there, guys, like you can see it's spot on, right? There always is an algo trying there. And in this case, guys, you can see it's lining up with one of these fibs that I have here. So generally, like, you have to understand the price action. 20 EMA will work in very, very trending context. It's trending. See that? That's a trend, right? Now look at that algo pushing up there. Okay, so that's nice. So let's see. If we do pull back a little bit, we have this zone here for the fibs. If not, hopefully we can keep going and maybe hit our targets. Did we get stopped out of the trigger? Did we get break even on the trigger? Does anybody know? Let me see. No, I think we're still in the trigger. Any one of my members, let me know. Did we get stopped out of the trigger? Is it at break even, or are we still alive? Still alive? All right, boom. So spy trigger is still alive. Good. So the Discord is split into 2 rooms. There's a stock room and then the spy room. There's 2 different strategies. The stock room is mostly for swing trades, and the spy room is only for spy. So I separated it so people will not be confused, and they're different prices, very reasonable compared to your other rooms out there. So I want to show you guys something if you're interested. So does anybody want to look at some swings that I took? Hit me with a 1 or a Trading Wars Army if you want to look at some swings. I actually had a pretty good run on some swings today, and I'll show you little bit of the drill down right now if you guys are interested. So we'll let this play out here. We'll come back. Any Trading Wars Army member, put a chart request in and I'll look at it. All right. All right. So progressive. So I took progressive today. Oh, did it just hit target? Yeah, it just hit the target. 1 second, guys. I gotta post this for the members. 1 second. Progressive. Did it hit the target? 1 second. Let me pull up the log. Progressive target is 95.34. High is 95.29. Ah, okay, we didn't get there yet. We're very close to hitting the target, so we'll keep an eye on this. Boom. Will, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my brother. Appreciate you. All right, so let's look at this right here, and I'll walk you guys through it. So let's go with the weekly on progressive. All right, so let me start off with the weekly. All right, so this is one of the swings that I was looking at from last week, and I'm going to show you guys how I executed it today. Okay, so I'm already pretty good profit on this, about $500 or $600. Let's talk about it. All right, so the first thing is progressive had a inside bar, right? Progressive had that inside bar from last week. You guys see it? This is right here. So you don't pretend this didn't happen, right? You don't see this yet, but progressive hit what target hit? 95.62. Oh shit, it did hit. All right, let me just put that into win. Let me update the alerts. Let me just go like this. BGR targets hit 1-1. Let me just go on the Twitter in the private room and let me just post that real quick. PGR 1-1 winner. Okay, good. All right. Now back to where we were. So anybody looking to get into the Discord? So I took away the free section in the Discord because we had a lot of scammers and a lot of like Bitcoin or fraud people in there. So the Discord is only for paying members now, but I do have a free education section in the Discord that members can look at. But go to my website if you're interested. Anyways, so let's go here. So we had an inside bar last week. So let me ask you guys now, if you guys pay attention, what is this inside bar trying to do this week? What do you guys think? What is this inside bar trying to do this week? What is the goal of progressive into this week? What is the algorithm trying to do? What are the market makers trying to do? What are traders trying to do when we had that inside bar last week? Somebody tell me. And then let's just pop open SPY here so we can take a look at SPY. So hopefully we can hit the target. Oh no, it's coming back down. All right, so that's okay. Like I said, we already had a winner in the morning. So if this goes to break even, I'm okay. So just keep that fib up there. All right. So what this inside bar is trying to achieve is we're trying to break out. Okay. We're trying to either break the high or break the low. Because generally, if you look at progressive, right, there's not a lot of double inside bars. There's one back here in 2019. There's one here in April of 2019. But generally, we don't close with double inside bar. So what we're trying to do progressive here is trying to break out, right? We're trying to break out. So what I did here, guys, I went to the daily chart. Okay. I went to the daily chart. So Monday was, where was Monday? 1 sec. Monday was the 26th, right? Okay. So this is how I took this trade here, guys. So I use something called the drill down method, right? I do something called the drill down method. So what I did, right, is I knew that this weekly bar wants to break out, but I want to get a good entry. Like I want to get a really nice entry. I don't want to wait for it to break the high, right? Because if I wait for it to break the high of this candle, I might get in really late. Like, for example, the high of this candle is 95.91. If I wait for this to break 95.91, I'm going to be late to the party. So what I did instead here, guys, is I went down to the daily chart and I'm looking for an entry, right? So what I did instead, guys, was instead of getting in at 95.91, which is up here, right? I got in down here with this bar. Okay, so I took the break of this bar. All right, so let me get the order right here. Entry 94.45, stop 93.56. So entry 94.45. What was the stop? 93.56. To become a member of the YouTube channel, you just have to press join. Okay, so there we go. So this was my setup here, guys. So you see, now check this out. I was able to get in for 94.45 instead of waiting for this weekly bar to break. And this is what I call the drill down, right? So that's why I wrote the book about the drill down. That's how I drill down. So now, so SPY is coming into a nice, interesting place here, guys. So let's see how we react at the 50. Okay, if we can pull here, there is some algo stepping in here on the 382. So this could be a nice place to start limiting in, right? You can have a hard stop at the low of the day or even this 786. But basically what we're looking for here is a pull into these levels and then a pushback. So you can even average into this play right here, then let that pop back up. But it doesn't have to, right? It can roll over. So just have your stop loss as protection, right? So there we go. So here was the trade on Progressive. Pretty nice. So that's how you drill down, right? So that's how you get in before the weekly triggers. Because from what I've learned over time, if you wait for this high to break, you're already late to the party. You don't want to be late to the party. You don't want to show up late. You always want to be early. Right? Yes, this is live right now. I'm live. I'm live. So hit me with the one if you understand Progressive. Let's look at SPY right now. So what I'm really looking for here on SPY is I want to see if it can come back to this 50% retracement here and give some type of push. So a few ways to trade this is having a limit order on the 50 or going down to like the 1 minute chart here and seeing how we react. Let's see how we react on the 50 right now. Let's see. So one of the things that I could try here is just taking a long right there. Okay, so long. Okay, having a stop down here on the 786. Okay, and what we can do is if it touches this 618, we could try again. Okay, so we could start here. So start averaging in here and then add one more time here. Have a stop here. If it doesn't work, it's okay. So it's okay if it doesn't work, but it's a good setup. Who do I join? Where do I join? So you see that, guys? You see that algo pushing in here? So we have that algo stepping in here, guys. You see that, guys? You guys following me? Hit me with the 1 right now if you're following me. Hit me with the Trading Wars Army if you're following me right now. Right? So this algo stepping in here. Okay, let's see if we can push back up. Let's see. Hit me with a 1. I need the energy. So we'll see. We'll see here. Guys, see that? You see how we're sitting on the 50? You see that? Push. Nice, nice, nice. So what I would do here is because we didn't get the 618, once like right here, guys, you can start covering, right? Start covering a little bit, just a little bit. Okay. You can even tighten up the stop loss right now to here. Okay. Tighten up the stop loss right now to there, right? So that you don't lose too much if it comes back down, scaling out a little bit, right? So now you're positioning yourself in a good place if it wants to run. Doesn't have to, but you know, like this is the power of the fibs. You guys think I'm joking around. Like you guys literally think I'm joking around. This is why I wrote this book. And now I gotta go on stream to prove it to you guys. Even though I've been doing this for years and years and years. Look at that. There we go. So scale like most your position, at least half off right now, right? That's a good push. Could even go to break even on the rest, right? And just let it go. Okay, because you don't want to really lose. Look, like there we go. Nice push. Beautiful. So if we come back down and tag the 50, we'll take the rest off for break even and just move on, right? Because remember, we already took the 15-minute inside bar. So right there, I would kill it. Okay, done. So that's how you scalp at the fib levels, right? You scalp at the fib levels. Like this bounce right here, guys, can make you good money, right? If you're hitting that with futures contracts, you can make good money. It's not huge, but when, like, you see how I was able to get it to break even. So let's just say it just wanted to just go V straight up, then I would be positioned to make a lot, right? So we could even try this again here on the 5, right? So we have an inside bar that's potentially closing. So if this closes here with an inside bar on the 5, this would be also a nice little setup to take. All right. So let's see. All right. So for the members, Trading Wars Army members, what chart request did you have for me? Saw one, but I missed it. CSX for Clark. What's going on, brother? So the difficult thing with CSX is that you could see that we're in the range of the previous day. You see here's the high and the low of the previous day. And because we're in the high and the low of the previous day, that it's going to be hard to break out right away. And that's why we're going sideways, because it's a neutral, right? This is what we call neutral when you're in the middle. So it's going to be a little bit difficult, but if we can start forming a higher low here and then push through here and break this high, that's a potential play right there, right? But otherwise, I would kind of just wait for a fractal. So we had a fractal here and a fractal here. Didn't really result in anything too much. So I would just wait for a fractal, maybe look at the 15 and see if there's anything nice here. Yeah, so the 15 was beautiful today, right? Let's look at this 15. So sometimes when you have a lot of sideways chop, you really want to focus on the 15, right? So check this out. So we had this inside inverted hammer, that's 1-to-1, and this double inside bar on the 15 was absolutely stunning, beautiful, magnificent. Look at this. Boom, boom, bam. That's what we do. Beautiful. There you go, brother. So it's, you just got to know where you are, right? If you're in the middle of the range, then you have to be very careful. And the plays you want to take, you want to look for the fractals and the fibs, right? You don't really want to take the opening range breakout unless there was an inside close the previous day. All right. So send me all right, hit me with a 3 right now if you're feeling good, and hit me with some Trading Wars emojis. Let me see how they look. It's all new to me. There we go. See, still holding the 50 there. I might have pulled I might have got out a little bit too early here. Yeah, look, I did. Yep. So it's all good though, right? I could have re-entered on that hammer. But I wasn't paying attention. See that, guys? This is how we do, guys. This is how we do it. Like, we're not here to play around like these other people who do delayed alerts and all this bullshit. We don't play around. This is my life. I'm not here to play games. Beautiful. All right, someone says he wants to join, but he can't. Let me figure it out. Do you guys see that there with the fib though? Hit me with a 5. No, hit me with a 4 for the 4 horsemen to support the fibs. Underrated as hell. The Fibonacci is the most underrated. Everybody wants to talk about cup and handle, spoon and fork, blah, blah, blah. Let me tell you something straight up right now. You see this fib? What did I just do here with the fib? We are buying when it's coming down. You guys see that? We're buying when it's coming down. So what does that do? It makes sure that you buy something for a discount. Okay? It makes sure that you get a good deal. Everybody else that I see, this is what they want you to do. Oh, buy the breakout, buy the breakout, buy the breakout. Honestly speaking right now, let me ask you guys right now. Honestly speaking right now, how many times have you got burnt buying the breakout of a cup and handle and a falling wedge and blah, blah, blah? What I'm showing you guys is a low risk opportunity. You come in here, you try the 50 fib, like I said, put your stop on the 618, whatever you want to do. Look for the 1 minute chart for the confirmation. And you have a chance to get something on the way down. So now if you're buying calls here, guys, it's going to be cheap. Do you guys understand that? Think about this. Honest question. If you buy calls on a breakout or buy calls on a pullback, which one is going to be more profitable? You tell me right now. Which one is going to be more profitable? Hit me with a 1 if buying on a pullback is more profitable. Hit me with a 2 if buying on a breakout is more profitable. What do you think? Boom. Marcelo, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, brother. Appreciate that. I wish I could just invite all of you guys. Look, here's the IB. Here's the break. Okay, so there's your IB right there. Beautiful break. Let's just make sure that alert came through here. Spy members lounge. Spy setups right here. So there we go. Inside bar coming through. I'm going to tell you guys something right now, man. I'm going to tell you guys something right now. This book right here, The Golden Partnership, Fibonacci and Automated Options Order, it is one of my best masterpieces on Fibonacci. Everything that I just said right there, what I just showed you, comes from this book. So if you took this trade live with me right now and you made some money, help a brother out, get a copy of this book, and it's going to come with 1 month for free in the room. That's a good deal. For $88.60, that's a good deal. And I just showed it to you guys live. Okay? Beautiful. So there we go. Beautiful. You see that? I did prematurely put the stop there, but it's okay. I was on stream, so I wasn't focusing. But even if I missed that, had that hammer right there. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, what's going on now, man? What else? Trading Wars Army members, you guys have any other chart requests? Now let me show you guys something else. Let me show you guys something else. Hit me with the Trading Wars Army or a 1 right now if you want to see an advanced Fibonacci. I'm gonna show you an advanced one. Okay. Hit me with a 1 or a Trading Wars Army if you want to see an advanced one. Adriana Valdez, welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Appreciate you. All right, so now, this is the morning. This is the afternoon leg. There's always going to be a reversal leg, an opposing leg. There's always going to be an opposing leg. So if we take it from high to low, like this, now this is the opposing. This is the bear's case now. So the bull case, the algo stepped in, took it at the 50, made their money. They're laughing. They're done. And now the bear algo is also looking, right? Because you can see we're right here on the 50 with this 20 EMA. It's a nice setup here. You have to remember the bear algo is also going to be trying from the top. Okay, the bear algo is also going to be trying. So there's going to be both sides. So what you want to do is take the probable moves and lock in where you can. So for example, with the long right here, right? The easy play for the algorithm is to take it from the 50 back up to the 382. So just from fib to fib. So that's the easy part is done, right? Fib to fib. Okay. So now it's going to be just a battle. It's 1209. So we can bet that the volume is going to be a little bit light and it's going to be a battle going into the close. Ian, brother, DM me, brother. I'll try to help you out. DM me. I'll try to help you out. So let's let that do its thing. We can revisit it. But the main thing, guys, is about this. It's not about being right. It's about taking good trades. You don't need to be right. Like, I was totally okay with losing on that fib, but that's not the point. The point is I'm getting a good deal if the trade works in my favor, I'm going to make good money. You see what I'm saying? That's what it comes down to. So, because if you have a good risk to reward, right? Let's say you have a 2-to-1 risk to reward. With the 2-to-1 risk to reward, how many trades out of 100 do we need to win? I'm testing you guys now. How many trades? How many trades out of 100 do we need to win? What do you guys think? 34. Exactly. So right now, so what I'm saying there, guys, is like when you're right, you want to hit it and just try to make your money, and you don't need to be 100% perfect. You see what I'm saying? You only need to win 34 out of 100 trades. 34%. That's not bad. All right. What else do we have? Cisco, Beauty, Walmart. So I might try Walmart tomorrow. So Walmart has been coming down 1, 2, 3, 4. I might try this one tomorrow. Do you ever play UVXY or VXX options? No. Do not. All right. Any more chart requests? Any more chart requests from members? Anybody? Members, chart requests, questions. I'm here. Don't have to go to gym. GM from the brother Clark. So GM off the bat, I could tell you there was this beautiful inside bar right there, and like this is really nice, right? Inside bar, beauty, outside bar, beauty, outside bar, beauty. So a lot of winners right off the open, right? That's why I always like trading the open, right? And I trade the SPY open with the members every single day. We trade the open together, right? So the open is always going to be where the action is at, right? And we've been seeing this in the market a lot. We've been seeing this in the market a lot, where we have reversal, we have push up and reversal. That's why I always tell you guys, use the Fibonacci to help you take the targets. Let's put a Fibonacci on here. This is a micro leg, a very small one, but let's go ahead and put that. Okay. So you can see right here, right around the full measured move. You see this? This is this is 1. This is a full measured move, takes us back up to 1. And you can see right here, there's a reversal. So you always have to be taking profits, right? Always. Now, if we draw the full afternoon leg right here, we take it from this low to this high like this. You can see that we're tagging this 886 right around here. So now this needs to hold for GM. This needs to hold. You can see the algo stepped in. It's a good deal. You see, the algos think like me. They want a good deal. We're not going to take a cup and handle and buy the breakout. We're not going to take a spoon and fork. We're not going to take FediWap or VWAP. We're going to use a good deal. After all this selling comes through, we come in, we buy a little bit here, have a little push, make some money, call it a day. That's what we look for, opportunities. But if we turn around right here and we take out these lows, probably break this low, probably fill this gap at some point. All right, so that's what I'm seeing there. What else do we have? Hood from Marcelo. So Hood right off the bat had this big outside bar followed by inside bar, push down, and then a little bit of a pop back up. Was Hood one of the picks? I don't remember. I think Hood was a bonus pick. But if we just look at the trigger for Hood was right around here to the downside. So if you get that trigger right off the open, boom, already made good money. So right now, remember what I said, there's always like 2 legs before a reversal where we could see a reversal. So I could already see 1 leg here and the second leg here. So wouldn't be surprised if we reverse a little bit, but we'll see. So we have this push, this pullback, second leg. You see this second leg trades at the 272 extension. So that's your 2 legs. And that's where you need to be getting out most of the time. Just for probability sake. It could go lower, but you want to always take those 2 legs and you're out. AMD. Yeah, so AMD, like I said, I had this line drawn, right? So I drew this line at the beginning of the stream. So I was like, this is kind of like the line in the sand here. So if we break this low, we probably push lower. So you could see we did push lower here. Now the question is it going to be a double bottom? So we could potentially turn around right here with a double bottom and push up, but definitely got that little bit of a breakdown. Potentially could see more. So AMD is very hard today. You can see a lot of chop. What was the best opportunities was this inside bar and this holy Nirvana. So this is the Nirvana pattern right here. So beautiful. Okay. So it's trying to save it with a double bottom. If we get an inside bar close here, could definitely try to take that play, break above, break below. Boom. Thanks, brother. I made some money with Hood today. That's great, brother. Happy to hear that. See, so the AMD trying to push that double bottom right there. We'll see. What's going on with SPY? 50-minute IB and up. Is that on AMD? Ooh, look at this pattern here, guys. This is beautiful right here. This is a pattern to watch really closely. AMD working on a double inside bar. We still have a lot of time for this bar to close, but we still have this 50-minute IB right here. So very, very, very powerful. Let's see on SPY what's going on. Beauty. See that, guys? So this 50% fib definitely playing, still working here. We had double IB. Check this out. So inside bar, winner, inside bar, winner. And that's why in my room right here, if you go to the setups, look, I have a robot that calls it out. So we know, okay? So SPY inside bar, Nirvana outside bar, everything. It shows everything. So we're always on top of it. Always, always, always. Like, this is beautiful. I'm just so happy that I'm on stream and showing you guys what I do, and it's working, because it could have easily all failed, and then I could have looked like an idiot, right? But right here, guys, so now I have the bear, right? I have the bear right there. So the bear can definitely be pushing up here on the 618 potential reversal here. So we'll see. But so far, the bull algo did exactly what we said. We said come in on the 50. I got to find a way to clip these things. I got to find a way to clip these things so I can post it. But anyways, if you guys don't have any more chart requests, any members with any chart requests, anything else, or any questions, guys, the membership is literally $4.99. And for what I'm doing here, guys, somebody would charge you thousands of dollars and still lie to you. They don't even know what they're doing. Trust me. I've been in this game for a very, very long time. I know exactly what I'm doing, especially when it comes to SPY. Everything, the setups that I take, I back tested them. I wrote about them, right? So let me just share this link. If you want to join the YouTube, all you have to do right here, guys, is click on this. So click on that, and you could sign up. You're gonna get the Trading Wars icon. You're gonna get the badges. I want YouTube to be the future of what I do, because on YouTube I can come here, I can give live commentary, I can help you guys out, and I need to grow though. I really need to grow. That's the only thing, guys. I have 23 members here. For what I'm doing right now, I should have 2,300 members compared to what I see out there. But we'll take it one step at a time. We'll take it one step at a time. All right. So there we go. What else? I think I'm gonna call it here. 39 minutes in. Let this play out. I'm gonna try to clip this and show what I was talking about. We'll see. We'll see if it works. But I'm gonna try my best. Anyways, thank you so much for your time. Appreciate you guys. Hit me with the Trading Wars Army, VIP, SPY, whatever logos you have. Hit me with them on the way out. And one thing I'm gonna say here, guys, is at some point here, I think I seen a brother say, I think if you bundle the 2 rooms plus this onto one piece, it would help. Having to have multiple charges is a pain. Well, let me tell you something, brother. Let's go to my website. First thing, the SPY room is $39 a month. The stock room is $50 a month. Okay, that's $89 a month. There are many services that charge a minimum of $100 a month, and that doesn't even have signals. All that has is charts. Then if you want to get the signals, you got to pay $150 a month. Okay. And then you can get signals. And who knows if those signals are delayed or if they're real? Nobody knows. I'm one of the few guys that has all of my swing trade results posted on my website since the beginning of the year. So I think it's fair, and I'm trying to keep it separate for one reason, because people that trade SPY only want to trade SPY. And the moment that we put SPY with other stocks, the biggest complaint that I get is this: there's too much going on. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. Do I trade the stocks? Do I trade the SPY? So I must separate it so that people can focus. Okay. If you are a SPY member, you focus on SPY. Okay. That's how we do it. All right. I'm out. This is what I need. Comment, like, subscribe, join. Okay. Comment, like, subscribe, join. Leave me a comment. I'm going to end the broadcast right now. Leave me a comment. I'm not going to do this every single day, obviously. I really wanted to just try the what's it called? The new logos and the new icons and the new all that. I wanted to try that out. But let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. Okay? Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. I'll try to make a schedule maybe. And then if we have a schedule, everybody can know what to expect. Blah, blah, blah. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate you. And what we're going to do here is end it. I hope you learned something about the fib. We'll make it happen. Thank you very much. Catch you tomorrow.